So pulled into Fort Wilderness, tumbleweed turn, and was hooking up all the utilities, and I would assume it was the person that pulled out before I got here must have learned a valuable lesson of making your fittings too tight. Because there was the normal adapter, which you see there on the right, the white piece, and then another adapter applied to that. And then the third adapter would be the RV attachment for your sewer hose. And I had to take all three off because I couldn't get the orange one off to put mine in. Somebody had it cranked down so tight. I guess they just gave up on it, just left it here. So, because of the way that orange one attaches, mine wouldn't fit into the socket there, so I wasn't able to attach to that. So I had to just take them all off and just kind of use gravity as my friend to hold my hose in place. So, valuable lesson when you're hooking up your stuff. Don't crank it down so tight that you can't get it off, and if you do, make sure you have a strap wrench or some sort of a tool to take your stuff with you.